Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add a fitness activity widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on wallpaper. After that, tap on the left image. Then in the wallpaper editing mode, you want to tap on the bottom panel here, tap on the bottom widget panel. From the add widgets pop-up list, you want to scroll down and then tap on fitness. Now for the activity widget, you have a small size and a large size. So simply tap on the widget, or you can drag it to your widget panel and let go. And then in here, tap on the close button to close that window, and then tap on the close button again to close the add widget screen. And then don't forget to tap on the done button to save the changes. And that's it. Now you can press on the side button to lock your screen, and as you move out throughout the day, your fitness activity will appear in this widget here or right on the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.